The WinTool-EdgeCam interface allows you to import WinTool data directly out of the WinTool database. We've added a toolbar which allows you to directly import WinTool tools. You can either import an assembly or an entire tool list. Let's pick a tool assembly. Let's look for a solid carbide end mill, for example. Here are my end mills. You see the graphics. Let's take a 1/2 inch end mill, and it'll ask me which cutting conditions value I want to import, a roughing finishing value. So let's just bring in the first one. And you see it populates the EdgeCam environment with the tool data which has been stored in the WinTool database. And you see the parameters which have been assigned to the matching data fields. And you see we're also bringing in a 3D model. So let's go into WinTool and look at tool number 549. Select the tool assembly. Let's look at how this tool data has been set up. There's a components list with all the components we have used to create this assembly. So let's have a look at the end mill. The end mill has been recorded with the parameter values according to the outline here. The parameter values allow us to calculate the contour of this assembly. We create the contour with the cutting layer, the non-cutting layer, cut, no cut, and shank with the 0 point at the tip. Now this contour is imported into EdgeCam and rotated into a 3D model with a cutting and a non-cutting portion to it. Now let's import a tool list. In the WinTool database, there are a number of tool lists which refer to NC programs. We also have a list for the CNC machines. These are the standard tools which are always in the Machines magazine. Now I'm just bringing in a few tools from a previous job. Let's take this one. And you see a list of these tools from a previous job. So I'm bringing into my session some of these tools. This face mill, a boring tool, a tap, spot drill, WinTool has a third function, EdgeCam to WinTool, which allows you to save those tools that you used in your NC program. Create a tool list. So let's bring back those tools. Description, sample, part. We can assign a machine, the user, an NC program name, and a material. The tool list is instantly created. When I open the WinTool database, open a list window and search for the test list. And here's the list.